Deep in the woods, there's a village filled with joyful and happy Smurfs. And one particularly handsome, suave, deep-voiced Smurf, whose every word...
Okay, narrator Smurf. That'll do.
Oh, all right. But not too far away, the evil wizard Gargamel is up to something diabolical.
I am making my own creations to help me finally capture the Smurfs. I will call them the Naughties.
Where are we?
It worked. Close enough.
From Sony Pictures Animation.
Naughties, attack!
Here's my plan. We trick Smurfette into being naughty like us. And she'll have so much fun, she'll never go back.
Oh dear, catch please. Oh.
Don't worry, Smurfette could never be naughty.
Why are we going so slow? Let's go!
Naughty, naughty!
Isn't this fun?
The Smurfs.
Two Smurfs.
Guys, I'm just smurfing with you.
That is an excellent impression.
Mamá, ¿verdad que las películas que me compras en la calle no son piratas?
Hijita, ¿cómo crees?
Es que todos me están molestando porque dicen que las películas que tú me compres no son buenas, son de esas chafas que venden en la calle.
Mira, vamos a explicar. Ay, Coco, no te preocupes. Creo que ellos ya entendieron bastante bien. Pero bueno.
Comprar películas pirata habla mucho de quién eres. ¿Qué crees que dice de ti?